Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do variance analysis problem. Okay, it's super easy. It's super easy to solve this question, and I'm going to show you the more easiest way to solve it. Okay, so let's start. Let's start with the solution. We only need to just remember the formula for this question to solve. So let me show you how to do it. As we can see that the question is written here. Okay, what we need to do is to calculate material price variance, material quantity variance, labor wage variance, labor efficiency variance. Okay, okay, so let's start with material price variance. Okay, for material price variance, we need to use the formula of actual price minus standard price multiplied by actual quantity. Okay, let's see the what first we need to find what is actual price in the question. As we can see, rate per unit is 6.20, so the rate 6.20 is the actual price. Okay, so we will write here 6.20 minus standard price. Standard price क्या है? Let's see standard price. Standard price is 6. Rate per unit 6. Rate per unit 6 rupees 6 is standard price. Here we go. Multiply by actual quantity. What is the actual quantity here? Actual quantity is 9,200 units. So we're gonna write it 9,200 units. And we need to solve it. 6.2 minus 0.2 multiply by 9,200 units, and answer will be 1840. Unfavorable. अच्छा, अनफेवरेबल कब आता है? अनफेवरेबल उस वक्त आता है जब एक्चुअल क्वांटिटी स्टैंडर्ड प्राइस से बड़ी होती है. अगर एक्चुअल क्वांटिटी बड़ी है, if actual quantity is bigger than standard price, then we will write unfavorable. If it's smaller, then we will write favorable. Okay, अब जो है material quantity variance का मैं निकाल के दिखाता हूँ. So for material quantity variance, we need to apply we can solve this with the formula. Let me write it, which is actual quantity minus standard quantity multiply by standard price per unit. Okay, so what is the actual quantity? As we write it here, 9200 units minus standard quantity. What is standard quantity? Okay, as we can see there is no standard quantity here. Okay, in actual we can see that quantity written, but in standard column there is no quantity, so it's very easy to find it out. We just need to divide cost 54,000 from 6, and by dividing 54,000 from 6 we will find it out. We will find out the quantity, standard quantity. So 6 9s 54 होता है, ठीक है, 6 9000 54, so it will be 9000 multiplied by standard price per unit. What is the standard price per unit? Which is 6. Okay, so 9200 200 multiply by 6, 2 6 1200. Okay, so as I told you earlier, that if the actual quantity is bigger than standard quantity, then we will write unfavorable with the answer. Okay, so now we will find it out. Labor wage variance. Labor wage variance. Formula for labor wage variance is actual rate minus standard rate multiply by actual hours. Actual rate, अब इसमें actual rate क्या है? Wage per hour 10.50 जो है wage per hour जो है actual rate है, तो हम यहाँ पे लिख देंगे 10.50. standard rate क्या है? wage per hour 11, so फिर हम यहाँ पे लिख देंगे 11, ठीक है, multiply by actual hours. actual hours क्या हैं? अब इसमें भी देखो, इसमें भी यही है कि actual hours given नहीं है, तो हमें क्या करना है? cost को डिवाइड कर देना है पर आवर से. जब हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो आएगा टोटल लेबर कॉस्ट. कैलकुलेटर से आप डिवाइड करेंगे तो इसमें आएगा कुछ आंसर 1,10,250 divided by 10.50. The answer will be 10,500. No, let's see. 1,10,250 divided by 10.50. Answer is 10,500 hours. Okay, 10.50 minus 11.50 50। अब इसमें हम माइनस नहीं लगाएंगे जैसे हम मैथ्स में लगाते हैं, इसमें माइनस नहीं लगाएंगे, बस हम अब जैसे कि एक्चुअल जो है स्टैंडर्ड से स्मॉलर है, सो हम इसमें फेवरेबल लिख देंगे मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद 10 500 52500 फेवरेबल। ओके, अब है करना हमें, नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर लेबर एफिशिएंसी वेरिएंस। Efficiency variance. The formula for labor efficiency variance is actual hours minus standard hours multiplied by standard rate per hour. What are actual hours? Actual hours were 10,500 minus standard hours. Standard hours is at standard was 10,000. Multiply by standard rate per hour. Standard rate per hour is 11. Multiply by 11. Unfavorable, as the actual is bigger, so we will write unfavorable. Okay, the sixth one is FOH variance. FOH variance. Okay, the formula for actual FOH variance is actual FOH cost minus STD FOH cost. Okay, what is actual FOH cost is here? Actual FOH cost is 90,000 minus standard FOH cost. What is standard FOH cost here? Is 80% of direct labor cost will be standard FOH. Okay, so we need to find it out by, as we know that standard direct, where written, so 80% of direct labor cost will be FOH. So what will be the 80% of the labor cost? We need to find it out by multiplying wage per hour 11 by total labor hour 10,000, which will be 1,10,000, and if we divide it by 80, we will have 88,000. So we have here is 2,000 unfavorable, as the actual FOH is bigger than standard. And let me tell you again how I get this. हमने 11 को मल्टीप्लाई किया 10,000 से, तो हमारे पास आ गया स्टैंडर्ड डायरेक्ट लेबर कोस्ट। ओके, स्टैंडर्ड डायरेक्ट लेबर कोस्ट आ गया 1,10,000। अब 1,10,000 को हम डिवाइड करेंगे 80% से, इसका 80% निकालेंगे 1,10,000 का, तो आ जाएगा 88,000। ओके, तो ये हमने चारों निकाल दिए। बाकी इसकी जर्नल एंट्रीज मैं आपको एक और वीडियो में बताऊंगा। ओके, हैव अ गुड लक, बाय बाय।